Welcome to the mesmerizing world of the beautiful Rummynose Tetra.
Annals. Scientifically named Hemoluramus blaheri, the species is a true aquatic star.
The stunning freshwater fish originates from the beautiful rivers of South America.
A highly distinct and bright red coloration covers the entire head area.
The vibrant red color often extends slightly past the gill plates.
The main body features a highly reflective silver color, resembling a shiny mirror.
Notice the highly striking black and white striped pattern entirely covering the tail.
The Rummynose Tetra reaches a maximum size of just 5 centimeters.
The species is widely considered one of the absolute best schooling fish available.
Hit that subscribe button to build your own mesmerizing aquatic army today.
Always keep a minimum group of at least 6 individuals for optimal visual impact.
Schooling together provides immense confidence and makes the fish feel entirely safe.
The Rummynose Tetra demonstrates a completely peaceful and highly friendly personality.
The completely peaceful nature makes the fish absolutely perfect for large community setups. Provide a minimum tank volume of 50 gallon or 190 liters. The highly active schooling fish requires plenty of wide open horizontal swimming space.
Natural driftwood structures provide excellent hiding places and perfect resting spots.
Highly stable and pristine water conditions are strictly required for optimal health.
A faded head color immediately indicates that the water quality is dropping dangerously.
Like this video if you love seeing your fish regain their spectacular natural colors.
Maintain the water temperature steadily between 22 and 25 degrees.
The highly stable tropical water conditions keep the active school entirely healthy. The ideal pH level ranges strictly from 5.5 to 7.0. The fish easily enjoys slightly acidic and highly soft freshwater conditions.
Keep the water hardness level carefully balanced between 2 and 6 kH.
The highly adaptable species demonstrates an easy care level for dedicated beginners.
Island. The omnivorous fish eagerly accepts high-quality commercial flake food daily.
Small sinking meat pellets provide an excellent and totally balanced daily diet. Live Daphnia triggers the natural hunting instincts of the highly active fish.
Frozen bloodworms provide massive protein boosts for maintaining the vibrant red head.
A perfectly plump and healthy belly indicates outstanding long-term dietary wellness.
The energetic schooling group competes playfully and peacefully for floating food items.
During the breeding season, the fish can successfully breed in captivity.
A separate breeding tank filled with slightly acidic water is highly recommended. The female deposits tiny clear eggs carefully among the fine aquatic plant leaves.
The male fish follows closely to fertilize the eggs immediately after spawning.
Always separate the adult fish entirely to ensure the eggs are not eaten.
The tiny fry will swim freely in the water shortly after safely hatching.
Newly hatched Artemia provide the perfect starting food for the tiny newborn fry.
A totally black background poster makes the silver and red colors visually explode.
The striking schooling behavior brings undeniable dynamic motion to the lush green layout.
The active swimmer thoroughly enjoys swimming directly into a gentle water flow.
During the quiet natural night cycle, the fish rests calmly near the dark gravel.
The morning lights instantly awaken the entirely energetic daily swimming behavior.
The careful fish completely ignores the delicate leaves of expensive aquatic foreground plants.
The highly cautious fish reacts very quickly to sudden shadows passing overhead.
The confident school always returns quickly to the open central swimming area.
Calm fish interacts entirely peacefully with daily tank maintenance cleaning tools.
Flawless breathing relies heavily on a highly oxygenated and absolutely pristine environment.
Pumpland. The fish explores the deep corners for entirely undisturbed daytime resting spots. Color-enhancing LED lighting makes the red face and silver body visually explode.
The thoroughfish occasionally checks crevices in the rock hardscape for hidden food.
The fish avoids extremely bright surface light by swimming in the lower middle zone. The schooling group establishes a totally peaceful and highly stable social hierarchy.
Natural dried Indian almond leaves release beneficial health-boosting tannins safely.
Rapid gill plate movement processes the highly oxygenated water entirely continuously.
Hit that subscribe button if you love completely peaceful community aquariums.
The large schooling group creates a highly entertaining and dynamic uniform swimming pattern. The species provides a highly engaging entry point into keeping colorful schooling fish. A perfectly thin body profile entirely indicates excellent and completely balanced daily nutrition. Dense clusters of bright green stem plants add immense visual depth perfectly.
The species is an exceptionally unique and highly rewarding pet for beginner keepers.
Notice the highly distinct silver scale pattern reflecting intensely above the dark background.
Specialized sinking carnivore pellets are caught mid-water with incredible speed and agility.
Subtle golden iridescence is often visible directly near the dorsal fin area.
The omnivorous school eagerly swarms highly nutritious pieces of blanched zucchini.
A totally clear anal fin stabilizes the lower body entirely during rapid swimming.
The fish serves as the absolute perfect dynamic centerpiece for large aquarius setups. The Rummynose Tetra demonstrates exactly why the family is universally loved worldwide. Behold the highly unique and majestic beauty of the incredible Rummynose Tetra.
Drop a like if you agree this fish looks exactly like a glowing red jewel in motion.
Like, share, and subscribe for more amazing beginner fish care guides. Hit the bell to join the massive global aquatic fish keeping community.
Do you own the beautiful red-headed Rummynose Tetra? Tell us below.
The Rummynose Tetra is a true 5-star addition to any planted biotope. Thank you for exploring the highly elegant and unique freshwater fish species.
See you in the absolute next amazing and exciting aquatic adventure.
Stay highly passionate about the incredible and highly rewarding aquarium keeping hobby.
Keep your water highly pristine and your premium fish incredibly happy. Nature provides the absolute best inspiration for any home aquarium setup.
The Aquatic Lye is your ultimate home for everything related to fish keeping.
Always remember to appreciate the unique schooling centerpieces in your beautiful aquarium.
The highly peaceful fish simply ignores the aggressive behavior of other tank mates.
The Aquatic Lye. Happy fish keeping. A clear, distinct eye with a tiny black pupil continuously scans the water.
The active fish loves swimming directly through small bubble curtains for playtime.
A highly robust and healthy muscle structure is built specifically for constant schooling.
The natural fish completely ignores artificial decorations, preferring real driftwood pieces instead.
The schooling behavior adds essential mid-water movement to tall, vertical aquascapes.
Perfectly balanced proportions make the Rummynose Tetra a highly desirable aquarium species. The species brings a totally captivating and mesmerizing energy to any intermediate tank.
The highly elegant Rummynose Tetra is the ultimate final addition to the ecosystem.
The fish occasionally cleans small floating particles directly off the water surface completely efficiently.
The slightly transparent lower body entirely highlights the bright red face perfectly.
A completely tight-fitting aquarium lid is absolutely demanded to prevent accidental jumping.
The strong swimmer actively exercises by swimming heavily into the canister filter output.
Tall background plants provide extreme comfort and necessary security for the entire school.
Completely flawless health is maintained entirely due to a highly varied and balanced diet.
Tight schooling fish naturally create the most incredible focal points for planted aquascapes.